How to change your phone number in your Google account. Now, you can do this in any kind of related Google account or Google app, but in our case, we can go ahead in our preferred browser and just go to our Gmail. So in Gmail, go ahead to your account, make sure you're signed into the account you want to change your phone number in. Tap on the profile over here and just press on manage your Google account. You should be able to search for something similar, but in our case, we're going to do it this way. Now over here, we're going to go into our personal info. Once you're inside personal info, we're going to go ahead and choose the phone option here right below the email. Now we should be able to change our phone number by deleting the number that was already existing in this account and just getting this new option, which is the setup option. So just go ahead and press on setup and we can pretty much just decide to add a new phone. So over here it says to select the phone number you'd like to use or enter a new one. So if there was already an existing number, you could go ahead and choose that. But in our case, we're going to choose the use another number option and then just go ahead and press on next. Then we're going to have to enter the number we'd like to use and make sure you have access to this number on a device that you already have, since you should be able to get a verification code from there. Once you get the verification code, just go ahead and put it in and you will pretty much be able to add that phone number to your Google account. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.